Hello, welcome to 4D Dig. After you've completed all the challenges for unlocking TYR Conversion Kit, you find that is unexpectedly missing or not showing up. So in today's video, I will show you how to fix it. Before start, I invite you to subscribe our channel, then you won't miss other videos. Method 1. Restart the game. The simple way is to exit the game, wait a few minutes, and restart it. Some players report the success of loading TYR Conversion Kit after restarting the game. This action may refresh the data and could solve the not showing up issue. Method 2 is to simply check if MW3 is updated. If you play the game on PC like Steam, you can find COD MW3 from library and click Update. On PlayStation, select COD MW3, choose Option, and select Check for Update. On Xbox, go to My Game and Apps, select COD MW3, press Menu, go to Manage Game, and select Updates. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall MW3. Sometimes, TYR Conversion Kit missing issue may be due to some undefined bugs. You can also uninstall the game and reinstall it under the high-speed network. The problem may get fixed. Method 4. Contact Activision support team. If no method works above, you can contact Activision support team. There are a lot of bugs in this game, but players use their time and effort to complete challenges to unlock this conversion FEATURE. So I'm sure Activision Blizzard will start fixing this right away. At the end of the video, I suppose you may accidentally delete the important files in daily life. Don't worry, I truly recommend to try 4D Dig Data Recovery 100 MB free. 4D Dig Data Recovery Free is a professional software that can scan your computer and find out any lost data. Moreover, you can get 100 MB free if you share it to social media. Download and install 4D Dig Data Recovery. Launch it, and you will see the homepage. Click the share button. You will get 100 MB free to try. Now, select the location and scan it. Select the types you want to scan. 4D Dig starts to scan and find all possible data from the drive. Once you find the file, select it, click Recover, and save it to a different location. Now, your files are back to your computer again. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to us. See you guys in the next video.